Today in Canada, I just missed it, but the fish were all spawning like mad in the grass. And this lily is just beautiful. Like, it doesn't get a lot of sun, but the pads are so green and they're larger than dinner plates. It's like probably 15-year-old lily. I did take some shoots for my new pond, but it's just fabulous how the pads just stick right out of the water. I love it. Hey, Beanie. And this is back at the old pond where Beanie resides. We just came back from the park. We had a lovely time. The yellow flag recovered a bit after a monster storm a month or two ago. Beanie always has to drink right there by the yellow flag because the water probably tastes the best. John's doing a good job taking care of the ponds. Everything appears to be going good. This is the second pond from the top. The grass is doing well. The koi look good. And in the top pond, let's take a look, Beanie. And he's got pepper plants everywhere. And this geranium is beautiful. The cherry tree has cherries like crazy. The garden looks good. And there's the big fish. Adding some water to the pond system every other day is a good idea when you have a large koi. Keeps the water fresh and it gives it a partial water change. Just add it slowly. It's a large system. Everything seems to be looking good. And these koi eat dog food and they live outside all winter. They hibernate. Yes, they do. They hibernate. They don't eat for 6, 7, 8 months sometimes if it's really cold. And their metabolism drops and they lay at the bottom of the pond. They are neither sad nor tired or unhappy. They're hibernating. Okay, I hate it when people say in the UK, oh, the koi don't like it. Okay, the koi don't get sick if they're hibernating nice cold water. It keeps them healthy. It knocks all the viruses off and all the bugs that bug them. Okay, they're cold water fish. They're not tropical. And too many people in the UK treat them as if they're tropical, and then they have nothing but diseases in their pond. Okay? They hibernate. Yes, they do hibernate.